Alrighty, it looks like it is 7:25, so let's get started with our 2021 Spectra Basketball Random Team 1Team All Box Break number 4. Just like with all of our random team breaks, we'll list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical team list. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Lori in the top spot and Michael in the bottom spot. So, cut and paste that against our alphabetical team list. And then cut and paste it over to the right and sort it by everybody's names. We'll see who has which teams, and then we'll tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty, Anthony's got the Cavaliers and the Hornets. Bennett has the Clippers. Carlos has the Rockets. Daniel has the Nuggets and the Warriors. Evan has the Blazers and the Kings. Hector has the Heat, the Jazz, the Hawks, and the Lakers. Jeffrey has the Pacers. Jim has the Celtics, the Suns, and the Timberwolves. Lester has the Mavericks, the Pistons, and the Raptors. Lori has the 76ers. Michael K. has the Grizzlies, the Magic, and the Pelicans. Michael V. has the Knicks, the Thunder, and the Wizards. Mike E. has the Bucks and the Spurs. And Richard has the Bulls and the Nets. All right. So now that we've been through our list, let's tear into our box and see what we get. There is our pack. Ooh. Looks like we've got an RPA in there. How about that? It's the first thick card we've had in our boxes. And look at the card on top. How crazy is that? Anthony Edwards. And that is the special Asia T-Mall silver version for the Timberwolves. Awesome. Fantastic. Great way to start off our box. Little Ant-Man rookie for the T-Wolf spot. Awesome. And then our next card, oh my goodness. How about that? A little Jerry West autograph for the Lakers spot. How incredible is that? Little Ant-Man rookie and then Jerry West autograph. And that is serial numbered 7 of 10. Awesome hit for the Lakers spot. The logo is awesome. And then our next card is a Lauri Markkanen, and that looks like that is the koi parallel for the Bulls. As you can see there in the background, there's little koi fish in the pattern. That is the koi prism parallel exclusive to the T-Mall boxes. I think all the parallels basically in these boxes are, even the silvers have a special background that make them different than the regular silvers in Hobby Spectra. But that is the koi fish prism for the bull spot. And then next, we have a Brandon Clark, and that's the T-Mall red prism for the Grizzlies. And then next, we have a Josh Green rookie with the T-Mall red prism for the Mavericks. And then our last card in the box is a Devontae Graham green prism for the Hornets. And I forgot on the marketing, because it's the koi version. Where was that? It is serial numbered 5 of 49. Forgot to flip that over when we pulled it. Alrighty, so now that we have went through all the cards in our box, let's go back to our list and see who got which ones, shall we? All right, so we will start with our, I guess it would help if I put the list up. There we go. We'll start with our red prism, Josh Green rookie for the Mavericks. And that goes to Lester. Congrats on that, Lester. And then next is our Brandon Clark red prism for the Grizzlies. And that goes to Michael K. Congrats on that. And then next, our green prism of Devontae Graham for the Hornets. And that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that, Anthony. And then next, our Lauri Markkanen Koi Fish Prism, serial number to 49 for the Bulls. And that goes to Richard. Congrats on that, Richard. And then next is our Silver Prism Anthony Edwards rookie for the Timberwolves. And that goes to Jim T. Congrats on that, Jim. Awesome pull. And then last but certainly not least is our Jerry West Icons autograph, serial numbered 7 of 10 for the Lakers. And that goes to Hector. How about that? Congrats on that, Hector. Awesome hit. That's fantastic. Let's take another look at that Jerry West card. Pretty nice. Well, all righty. That concludes our 2021 Spectra Basketball Random Team One Team All Box Break number 4. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in a few minutes with our 21 Bowman Draft Random Team Super Jumbo Pack Break number 2. Thanks again, everybody.